Good afternoon, YouTube. Good afternoon, my lovely friends. So, I've just come back from Ghatkopar after washing my bike and giving it a nice polish. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day and definitely we all love our bikes. So, yeah, giving a little TLC to it. So today what we are going to discuss is basically riding gear and importance of safety gear while riding. Now we all buy expensive bikes, we all buy a two-wheeler, but what we forget is the riding gear. Now riding gear for us, for the normal common man, would definitely consist of a helmet and that's it. But no, riding gear goes much beyond a helmet. It consists of many things. Yes, it is expensive, it's an investment, but basically it's sort of like a life insurance. So that is what invest in. Buying a helmet is not sufficient enough. You need to invest in a good riding jacket. You need to invest in good gloves. You need to invest in a good riding pant and boots. Now, when personally speaking, I used to not wear riding gear when I was actually when I started riding. I used to wear a good helmet, not even gloves. But after my accident, actually it actually hit me really hard, and my friend, I should actually thank him, Mr. Anurag. He actually guided me how to get a good jacket, and starting with knee pads and all that. So thanks to him for actually guiding me. And yeah, so today my riding gear consists of jacket, gloves, helmet, boots and riding pants. What happened to it? Office, when I'm riding to office, yeah, you all will be thinking that yeah, too much gear, it's so hot, why the hell will you wear it? But frankly speaking, I actually wear my riding gear to office even. So I'm with my helmet, jacket, gloves, minimum. Yeah, the boots and the pant I don't wear, but definitely I wear my riding jacket and my gloves and my helmet. Now for a trip, a weekend breakfast ride, it's all there. So you name it and it's there. So why riding gear? Basically, it is a very important aspect of keeping yourself safe. So my funda is you do your best and God will do the rest. So you wear your gear, you ride well, and it's taken care of. So yeah, some people say, oh yeah, riding gear is like an armor of God. It is not. It is not. So even if you are wearing riding gear and if you really ride foolishly, then yes, it's going to bite you hard even then. There are basically cheap options, and when I say cheap, I don't say in 300 bucks or 400 bucks. There are some good alternatives to riding gear. You have many brands that have come out, but I would still say go for the best because there is no compromise in safety. So when I say talk about safety, it's your life. Your family loves you, your parents love you, your wife, kids. So when you go out on a ride, it's a jungle out there, and we definitely want to safeguard ourselves from what's coming onto you. So basically, in case of a low side, a high side, your riding gear will be the first point of contact, and then it's going to be you. So I will tell you about my riding gear. It consists of my Sparx helmet. You have these DSG gloves that you see. Right now I'm wearing my AGV Sport. I have a DSG Genesis jacket, which is actually very good. And yes, AGV pants, and my boots are CD Cobra Air. So that I use on my trips. I use the AGV Sport for daily runs. So be it something like you're going out with friends just for a short ride, or going to the service center, going to office, I definitely use this jacket. It's quite good. It's light, it's mesh. It helps you in battling summer. I do wear my riding gear even in rains. So all the gear all the time is the funda that you need to keep. You can start off with a riding gear, like a riding jacket and gloves and helmet, and gradually upgrade to boots, pants. So that is what I did. I used to wear the Alpine Star knee guards first. Thanks to my friend Bhuvanesh for that. And now I've upgraded to the pants, so it's really comfortable. Pants are a must because they would provide you comfort as well as safety. Unlike the knee guards, which are actually a little uncomfortable, you just need to get used to it. But it's good. But riding pants would be the way to go about it. So do let me know in the comment section what you think, and if this makes sense, then please do invest in riding gear. Not to invest at the stretch, you can go in parts like how I have done, so because it's an expensive thing, but do invest in one. So you will definitely never ever regret it. Thank you, and ride safe, wear your gear, and see you soon.